CPA marketing. So in this video I'm going to show you completely new platform to do CPA marketing. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So first, you guys simply came to CPAGrip. CPAGrip is a CPA marketing platform. That's why we came to CPAGrip, because today we are going to promote CPA offers, and I show you this platform a lot of the times, and I assume like a lot of people have CPAGrip account. If you're a new person and you don't have CPAGrip account, what you guys can do, you guys literally simply click on register. Once you click register, you guys can see this kind of page, sign up now. You guys literally fill out all your details and your account will be created instantly, because CPAGrip does not need any approval. Okay, so once you sign up, your account will be created instantly. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logging in my CPAGrip account. So once you log in, quickly I'm gonna directly show you how you guys can make money. You guys simply click on offers and tools. This is simplest and the easiest way to make money online with CPAGrip, basically with CPA offers. Okay, so you guys simply click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you guys can see this kind of page. So these are few filters. You guys can filter it out all these offers, and you guys can also filter it out through devices and like all this kind of Android and iOS. So these are all the offers. You guys can see highest payout, but today you guys can see I selected the United States, but today I'm gonna select a different country which I already researched before creating this video, and I found it an offer in New Zealand. If I click on New Zealand, so now you guys can see I selected New Zealand, and I found it a really good offer in New Zealand. First, you guys can see I click on the highest payout, and you guys can see a lot of really big offers like 25, 25, 21. But you know, a lot of the times I am not promoting these offers. You guys know why? Because these are the categories is called credit card submits, and like normally people are not adding their credit card details in any website. So that's why it's a little bit harder, especially for beginners. That's why I am ignoring these like offers, and I'm gonna scroll down, and I found it an offer is this one. Like this offer gives you $3.76, so nearly $4 you are able to make, and it's only pin submit. Okay, it's super simple. People can easily do pin submits. For example, I'm gonna click this. So I click on this landing page, and click on this offer, and this offer is like play the best games, and this offer only works in New Zealand, and you guys can see desktop only works in desktop, Pinterest, and like $3.76. If anyone literally submit, click here and add their number or email, we are able to make $3.76, nearly $4 we are going to make. So I'm gonna go and promote this offer because it's really easy, and you're able to make up to nearly $4. So let's go. I'm gonna go and promote. I'm gonna show you how. First, I told you all the time you guys select a new domain. So I selected this one, and there is a link. Copy this link, close this, and now I'm gonna go and show you how you guys can go and promote this CPAGrip link. So let's go. So the next step is you guys simply came to systeme.io, because I told you a lot of the times not any website nowadays allow you to do direct linking. That's why we need a simple landing page, and I am creating simple and basic landing page through systeme.io, because it's completely free for beginners, especially first, and you are easily create a beautiful simple basic landing page with systeme.io. Okay, it's completely free. You guys can go and sign up for free, and I assume a lot of have free accounts. So let's go. Once you log in first time, once you sign up first time, you guys can see this kind of page. So what's the first step? You guys simply click on funnels. Ignore all these things, click on funnels. So once you click on the funnels, now you guys can see this kind of page. So now I'm gonna click on create, and in here you guys can add your funnel name. So I added my funnel name is like CPA NZ, mean New Zealand. Basically click on custom and click save. So once you click save, now you guys simply click this CPA NZ and click add a step. Again, add a name. Again, I added a name like CPA New Zealand, and select a type. So I'm gonna go with like sales page and click save. So now you guys can see a lot of template pops up. So you guys literally select any template. I told you a lot of the times, because we're gonna select any template, we're gonna delete every single thing from that template, and we're gonna build our landing page that template, delete all the things from that template elements. We're gonna delete all the elements from that landing page, and we're gonna build our landing page from scratch. So now you guys simply click on edit page once you see this page. So now you guys can see this template is open up. So these are all the elements. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete all the elements from this landing page. from this template, and I'm gonna build my landing page from completely scratch. So just give me a second. So now you guys can see I delete every single thing from this template, and now I'm gonna build my landing page from completely scratch. So quickly I'm gonna build my simple, extremely simple landing page. First I'm gonna drag and drop that row here, quickly click on this, scroll down. I'm gonna change the background color. You guys can add any color, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna add a headline like this, copy and paste my headline like this, and go with like size like up to 50-60, somehow like this, 50. And I'm gonna also change the font, and I'm gonna change somehow like Acme, and I'm gonna change the color like popular games. I'm gonna change this color only like this, click this, and I'm gonna go with like red. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down, and you guys can see the button. I'm gonna also add a button and scroll a little bit down, and you guys can see image. I'm gonna also drag and drop that image here. So there are two images. I'm gonna delete one. I'm gonna click this and upload an image from my PC quickly, and then I'm gonna show you. So you guys can see I uploaded this image, and literally I download this image from Google. You guys can easily download this kind of images from Google. Scroll down, literally we're gonna go and adjust this image. First I'm gonna add 10 border radius. So you guys can see I added border radius 10, and these edges are a little bit rounded. If you scroll down, click on shadows, and you guys simply click on blurry shadow, and you guys can see the background is a little bit blurry. Now I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna add my call to action and like design this button, basically modify this button. If you scroll down, first thing is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the button color to red, and scroll down. I'm gonna also change the background, bottom color to red again, and I'm gonna click on the shadows to like somehow blurry shadow, because it looks good, to be honest. That's why I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow all the time. And rounded corners I'm gonna go with like 10, and now you guys can see it looks good. Now scroll up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my I'm gonna remove subtext, and now I'm gonna copy and paste, add my call to action. So copy and paste my call to action, play for free. I'm gonna increase the size somehow 45. I'm gonna change the font again. I'm gonna go with like somehow, let's see, okay, this not looks good. I'm gonna go with like Google Fonts and go with like Acme, okay, because I like this. And one more thing is I'm gonna do is like okay, if you scroll down, you guys can see I'm gonna also add icons. Scroll down, let's see, first is this one, and click this, and I'm gonna also add an icon from the different side. So there you go, the second icon, and now you guys can see this is how our landing page looks like. So simply click on the background, and I'm gonna go with like black background. Now I'm gonna click on this white one, and first thing is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with like 200% left, 200% right, and scroll down, and you guys can see edges looks good. So what I'm gonna do is rounded corners. First I'm gonna add a shadow, and scroll down, and you guys can see rounded corners means these edges. Basically I'm gonna go with like 25. So you guys can see I added all these edges as 25, and now you guys can see this is how my landing page looks like. It's completely and super simple landing page, and it looks really good, neat and clean and basic landing page. Play best popular games for free, and these are the images of the different kind of games, and that is the button. And again, do not forget to add your CPAGrip link here. Do not forget to add it. So I added my CPAGrip link here, and now close this and simply click save changes. So once you click save changes, now I'm gonna go and show you how you guys can go and promote this landing page. Okay, so let's go. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called dow.ad. So this is a website, not a lot of people know about this website, but this is a really good website, especially for CPA marketing. We're going to utilize this website especially for CPA marketing. It's super simple to register your account. If your account is not registered, simply click on registration, click this, and let's go. I'm going to show you. So in here, what you guys can do, literally it's super simple. Email, password, add any your Telegram or Skype name, and simply click register your account, and your account will be created instantly. You will receive one like a verification email link on your email. You will click that, and your account will be verified. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna go and log in, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote a CPA offer. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logged in dow.ad account. So once you log in first time, you guys can see this kind of page. So what we're gonna do and how we're gonna promote our offer. So right now you guys can see I am logged in my dow.ad account. So once you log in first time or anytime, you guys can see this page. So this is a dashboard basically. So once you log in, you guys can see all these icons and elements, and you guys can go and explore yourself, because I'm not gonna give you overview, because I'm start giving you the overview of this website, the video will be really long. So that's why I'm gonna show you the main point. So once you came here, you guys, what you guys can do, you guys simply click on campaigns, and there are different kind of objectives. So for today, we're gonna go with like pop under. This is a really good, especially for CPA marketing. I'm gonna click on pop under. Click this. So once you click this, you guys simply click create campaign. So once you click this, now you guys can see this kind of page is like create campaign. So now first thing is like you guys can name your campaign. So I added a name is CPA NZ, means CPA marketing for basically New Zealand. Scroll down, and now you guys can see in here first, what you guys can do, select a country, in which country we are going to promote our offer. So I'm gonna go and select a New Zealand. So New Zealand, and there you go, New Zealand. And now we selected New Zealand. So once you selected New Zealand, and now you guys can see price per 1,000 clicks. So for 1,000 clicks, how much money you guys can go and pay. So in here it says like average price is $1.2, and in here it says average recommended price is $1.9. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay, for example, $2 for 1,000 clicks. Just imagine, for 1,000 clicks we are just paying $2, literally $2 for 1,000 clicks. It's extremely cheap traffic, extremely, and it's really good, especially for CPAGrip. Okay, so if you scroll down, now you guys also able to select specific regions. You guys can also select a specific cities. So we ignore this, and now you guys can see mobile provider. We again ignore this. Scroll down, and you guys can see user. So you guys can see we're gonna select all desktop OS, because our offer only works in desktop. So we only selected all desktop OS, and we ignore all these. And you guys can see if you want to select any specific browser, yes, we're gonna go and select. Why? Because you guys can see it says like iOS Chrome mobile, Android Chrome mobile, but we are looking for the desktop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna only select a desktop. You guys can see Chrome desktop, like Yandex browser desktop. So we only select desktops, because our offer only works in desktop. So quickly I'm gonna select all the desktops. So once you selected all the desktops, and do not select mobile phone, okay, because it's not a mobile traffic is not for us. We only need a desktop traffic. So once you select it, close this, and now you guys can see vertically. So there are different ways to promote, but we scroll all the way down, and we only click on mix. So now you guys can see categories. So we only are looking for the mainstream, not for adult. And now you guys again scroll down, and you guys can see quality traffic. So in here you guys can see 4 types of traffics, like low traffic, regular traffic, high traffic, and like premium traffic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ignore low one, and we go with like regular, high, and premium traffic. So we selected 3, and now scroll down. If you want to schedule your ad, you guys can also able to schedule, but normally we are not scheduling our ad. Just ignore this. Scroll down. You guys can also like do blacklists if you want, and it's you are also doing whitelist, but this is a little bit advanced technique, and basically these things is beginners don't need these things. Okay, so that's why ignore. Scroll down. Frequency capping. Basically frequency capping means like in every 24 hours one person see your ad 3 times, okay, in 24 hours. Simple as this. So that is we call frequency capping. Scroll down, and all the things are done, and in here you guys can see the stats of the traffic, and these are the stats. Okay, so now our traffic is done. We created our, you call it campaign. One last thing is remaining. You guys must add your landing page link, and scroll down. So once you added, so scroll down, scroll all the way down, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply click save campaign. So once you click save campaign, now you guys can see it says like your campaign is paused. So what I'm gonna do, you guys can see this small icon, it says start. You guys simply click start. Once you click start, and now you guys can see your campaign will be started. So now you guys can see it will took some time to approve and start running your campaign. It will took some time, but once your campaign is start running, how you guys can see your stats. So you guys can see it's a small column says statistic. So I'm going to click on statistic. So once you click on statistic, now what you guys can do, scroll down. So these are the different things, but you guys are able to see all your details and all the clicks and all the money you spend it. You guys easily able to see here, like clicks, CPM, summary, whole summary you are able to see here. And again, you guys can also able to see in details like clicks, CPM, like summary, we call it summary basically. And you guys can also able to see leads if you set up the tracking and all this stuff. But normally these are the few things that you need to see, like clicks and CPM. Okay, so this is how you guys can utilize this website called DAO.ad to promote your CPA offers in extremely cheap price. In just $2 you're able to get like 1,000 clicks. It's just amazing, and I highly suggest you guys spend at least $4 or $5 and try that method. Okay, with this CPA marketing method, potentially you are able to make decent amount of money per month, and I highly suggest you guys must try that method because this website gives you extremely and crazy cheap traffic. So I highly suggest you guys must spend at least $2, $5 or maximum $10 and see what kind of results you are getting, because this website is giving you in $2 more than nearly 1,000 clicks in just $2. So I suggest you guys must try that strategy. And remember one thing, all the strategies in this channel I am showing you is not working for everyone. Few strategies work for few person and not works for other people. Okay, so the results are depending on person to person. Remember this and all the time keep in mind this. And now if you don't have any money to spend on ads and you're looking for completely free traffic method to make money online with CPA marketing, then you guys can go and watch this video.